Hello, dear students. I'm Dr. Rajni Shettigar, an academician, a consulting pharmacist, and a personal counselor. Through this platform of Swasa, I would like to take you all through this journey of pharmacy as a career. Today, in this first talk, I would explain what is pharmacy all about. Pharmacy is the science and practice of discovery, producing, preparing, dispensing, reviewing, and monitoring medications and related products. Pharmacist works hand in hand with doctors, aiming at safe and effective use of medications and related products, and ensuring best therapeutic outcome of the patients. Have you ever wondered who is responsible in discovering new drug molecules? Yes, you are right. It is a pharmaceutical scientist along with other group of scientists. Pharmaceutical scientist who has a multidisciplinary knowledge in subjects like medicinal chemistry, organic chemistry, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, pharmacokinetics, pharmaceutics, and pharmaceutical analysis, and many more. He is solely responsible for giving birth to the medicines. These medicines then, after formulation, enter the market and doctors prescribe this to the patients. Are you fascinated about the various pharmaceutical dosage forms, the tablets, the capsules, the suppositories, the syrups, the creams, the ointments, and the cosmetics, and yes, the injections? The pharmaceutical scientist, that is the pharmacist, is responsible for manufacturing these beautiful, safe, effective, and acceptable dosage forms that are taken by a patient. Do you ever feel astonished when you see a pharmacist explaining everything about medicines to the patient in a retail pharmacy? You ask him and he has the answer. He knows everything about the medication. He is known to be an encyclopedia of medications. And you have wondered, from where did he get this knowledge from? Yes, you're right. Because he has done the course in pharmacy, so he knows everything about medications. A pharmacist is basically an encyclopedia of medications. Pharmacists are medical professionals who specialize in medications with in-depth knowledge of everything, including composition, uses, mechanism of action, side effects, dosage, route of administration, safety, toxicity, and much more about any medication. And this medication is taken as a formulation or a dosage form. Due to the broad science base and in-depth understanding of medicines, a pharmacist, also known as a pharmaceutical scientist, has a huge role to play in pharmaceutical sector. This may range from pharmaceutical formulation development, clinical research, molecular synthesis, medical information, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, pharmacokinetics and drug metabolism, project management, business development, and of course, sales and marketing. Apart from this, they also work as retail pharmacists, hospital pharmacists, clinical pharmacists, drug inspectors, and medical writers. As technology is constantly evolving, newer and newer drug molecules are being discovered year after year, day by day. Hence, the demand for pharmaceutical scientists will only continue to increase with time. Also, medicines in a retail pharmacy can be dispensed only and only by a registered pharmacist. Hence, the job opportunities for these professionals are not only limited to drugstores but also in hospitals and a clinical setup. All this excites you, then pursuing a course in pharmacy is a very good option for students who has taken science as their stream. In the next talk, I will be explaining all the different courses in pharmacy that are available and how to reach there. So keep learning. Bye-bye.